Most people are terrified of 3 seconds of silence. Their brains treat it like a physical threat. They start sweating. They start talking just to stop the pain. But while they are babbling to save their ego, you are winning. Silence is not the absence of power. It is the peak of it. Today, I will show you why the quietest person is the most dangerous and how to use that to your advantage. Number 1, the interrogation gap. When you stop talking, people feel a vacuum. Humans hate empty space. They will fill it with secrets they never meant to tell. In 90% of negotiations, the first person to speak after a long pause loses the deal. When someone gives you an answer you do not like, say nothing. Just look them in the eye. They will eventually say, well, I guess I could also do this, and give you exactly what you wanted. Number 2, the observer's advantage. You cannot listen if your own tongue is moving. Every word you say is a piece of data you give away for free. The human brain can process 400 words per minute, but we only speak about 125. When you are quiet, you use that extra brain power to spot lies, shaky hands, and nervous eyes. In a group, do not be the first to speak. Wait until everyone has shared their move. By the time it's your turn, you already know everyone's weaknesses. But there is a darker side to silence. It's called tactical coldness. When you refuse to react to an insult, you are not being nice. You are showing that the other person is too small to affect your world. It makes them feel invisible. And to a human, being ignored is more painful than being punched. Are you ignoring them because you are shy, or because you've already decided they are not worth the breath? Number 3, the mystery premium. People value what is rare. If you talk 24/7, your words are like trash. They are everywhere. If you speak once an hour, your words are like gold. We naturally assume quiet people are smarter than they actually are. It's called the halo effect. Use the 50% rule. Whatever you want to say, cut it in half. Be the person who says the most with the fewest words. Number 4, emotional shielding. Reacting is a weakness. When you scream back, you are following their lead. When you stay quiet, you are the leader. Anger is an expensive emotion. It burns energy and lowers your IQ by up to 20 points in the moment. When someone tries to bait you into an argument, just tilt your head and say, okay, then go back to what you were doing. It will drive them insane. Number 5, the stealth calibration. Silence allows you to calibrate. It's the difference between a shotgun approach and a sniper approach. Your brain's prefrontal cortex, the logic part, works 30% faster when you aren't focusing on speech. Practice active ghosting in real life. Be present, look interested, but give zero verbal feedback for 5 minutes. Watch how the social masks of others start to slip. Noise is for the weak. Silence is for the strategic. The next time you feel the urge to fill the room with your voice, ask yourself, am I speaking to add value, or am I just afraid of the quiet? The loudest person in the room has the most to prove. The quietest has the most to lose. Which one are you?